Hi there, welcome to the channel, and this will be a demonstrative video on how to use the basic features of HUDL Technique when editing a video. So you see, I've got this video here. It's just, I'll show you quickly. Just a simple 5-second video roughly of just shooting a basketball. I would just like to explain the features that you can use here. As you can see on the top right, you can add in various shapes, straight lines, circles. If you want to add a circle, you can put a few circles there. You can put squiggly lines. You can pretty much do whatever you like. In each one, you can it's a little pop-up menu. You can change the colors. You can change. You can pretty much do anything you want with these lines here. You can, if you go to, hold up, I'll undo all these. If you go to where I shoot, if you want to look at how I'm shooting the ball, like where my form is, you can put a little, you can see that my arm's straight, it's on angle, it's that kind of thing. So it's pretty simple to use in that regard. Also, you can actually record your voice over by using this button up here. Right now, I'm recording my voice over my own video, so when I play it back, I will be able to hear this recording. And that pops up as a review of my video. If we head back here, you can add comments as well. So if you want to add a comment at this point in the video, you can say, good form. Something like that. Also, you can compare, I'm not going to show you here, but the basic premise is that you can compare with pro athletes. You can search up a pro athlete's video. You can compare with their video. You compare with your videos. You can record a new video to compare with. So that's a pretty cool feature. Also, if you'd like, you can slow your video down to a half speed, quarter, an eighth of regular speed, and it'll look something like this. You can also do it. You can mix and match between speeds as the video goes on. You can make it even slower if you want to see the form better, the ball going through the net. So that's basically how it works. And if you have any other inquiries or questions about the app and what you can do in the editing features, just leave a comment down below, and I'll see you soon.